Happy May, everybody. Meteorologist Dean Davison, Storm Surge LLC, live. Weatherblogs.com. Time for your May outlook for 2014. Taking on the first 10 days, you can see here in the east coast of the United States, above average temperatures. We had that rain last week and in April. And the cool weather, well, that's going to take over and change. We're going to have nice mild air. That's from Roanoke down the Raleigh all the way back up to Delaware Valley, Boston. This whole area is going to be in the above average area. The below average is going to be at North Dakota, South Dakota, and another above average area, which we're going to have to watch for fire danger out there in California. When we take a look at the precipitation, we may, towards the end of this period, look for some severe weather, again, setting up here in the middle of the eastern part of the Tornado Alley and the part of Tennessee Valley regions. But by the time we get into May 10th to 20th, a little bit above average, not as much, with colder air in the Midwest, which will adversely, between the cold and warm air, probably make an issue for severe weather threats further east and a lot of rain. So we have to watch out for more precipitation here in the East Coast, much above average for 10th to the 20th. So enjoy the next week or so, because after that, it may get wet for a few days. 20th to 31st, pretty equal chances either way, above average here in the south, below average in the north. That also is a good way to cause severe weather, and that would be a potential there, and then also in Florida. So we may have another round of severe weather. And one thing we did notice is right before we hit May, you had that dip that was trying to dip. It was starting to lower the PNA. Every time we have these little dips in the PNA, we got to watch out for potential for severe weather. So like I said, 10th going into the 20th, we have to watch for an area of severe weather here. Again, possibly one more outbreak, but nothing hopefully as bad as what we saw. That's your May outlook. Hope you enjoy it. Meteorologist Dean Davison, Storm Surge LLC.